In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and change the phone number format on HubSpot. Whether you're using HubSpot for marketing, sales, or customer service, ensuring your contact information is properly formatted is essential. So let's dive right into it. To start, you'll want to navigate to HubSpot's homepage. Open your web browser and simply type in the URL, insert link here, or search for HubSpot in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the homepage, you need to log in with your credentials to access your personalized account and settings. You'll see the login button conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your details. If you've forgotten your credentials, HubSpot provides options to retrieve or reset them. Once you successfully log in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. Next, you'll need to access the settings where you can adjust your phone number format. Look out for the settings icon. It's usually represented by a gear symbol and can be found at the top right of your dashboard. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu with various options that allow you to personalize your HubSpot experience, from general account settings to more intricate data handling and privacy configurations. Once you're in the settings menu, the next step is to locate the phone number settings. This might be under a category like preferences or personal information. As HubSpot frequently updates its interface, you may need to navigate through categories to find the exact setting. But don't worry, the menu is user-friendly and logically organized, making it fairly straightforward to navigate. After clicking on the phone number settings, you will be able to view the current format of your phone numbers. Here you can choose from different formatting options depending on your specific regional and business needs. HubSpot typically allows you to choose formats that comply with international standardization, ensuring consistency and clarity when you're contacting clients or organizing your data internally. Once you have selected the preferred phone number format, make sure to save your changes. There should be a save button towards the bottom of the settings page. It's crucial to remember this step, otherwise your changes won't take effect, and you'll have to repeat the process. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to find and change phone number formats within HubSpot. With these steps, you can ensure that all your contact numbers are uniformly formatted and compliant with any localized requirements you might have. If you encounter any issues along the way, HubSpot's Help Center offers extensive resources and support. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on navigating HubSpot and other essential tools for your business.